Welcome to Kim's Health. Today, we'll explore how to book an appointment through the app. The attached screen is the book appointment interface of a healthcare mobile application. It allows users to schedule a medical appointment by selecting relevant details. Select Hospital. It allows the user to choose a hospital from a pre-defined list. Select Hospital. The attached screen displays the Select Hospital step within the book appointment process of a healthcare mobile application.
Select Department screen allows users to choose the medical department they wish to consult, e.g. cardiology, dermatology. The Select Department drop-down field is a crucial part of the appointment booking process. Positioned centrally on the screen, it allows users to choose the medical specialty they wish to consult. When tapped, it expands to display a list of available departments such as cardiology, pediatrics, orthopedics, etc. Select your doctor and book appointment. After selecting your preferred hospital and department, this screen displays a list of available doctors within the chosen specialty. You can search for a specific doctor using the search field or browse the list. Each doctor's profile includes their name, designation, and specialization details. Simply tap the Book Appointment button under the desired doctor to proceed with scheduling your consultation. Choose your appointment date. This screen allows patients to schedule an appointment with their selected doctor from the chosen department. You can choose between a hospital visit or a teleconsultation as your preferred mode. Use the calendar to select an available date for the consultation. Once the date is chosen, you can proceed to view and book the available time slots for a seamless appointment experience. Confirm your appointment. This screen provides a final confirmation prompt before booking your appointment. After selecting a preferred date and time slot, a pop-up appears summarizing your appointment details, including the doctor's name, date, and time. The patient can review the information and choose to either cancel or book the appointment by tapping the respective button, ensuring accuracy and user consent before proceeding. Appointment successfully booked. Your appointment has been confirmed. This screen displays a summary of all your booked appointments, including the doctor's name, department, hospital location, appointment date, time, type of visit, e.g. hospital visit, and the assigned room or token number. Each booking is marked with a confirmed status for clarity. You can also cancel any appointment directly from this screen if needed, ensuring full control over your schedule.
Thank you for watching.